love that bell chime. I didn't think about doing this, but these are the service elevators here. This one doesn't have the Otis door track. I mean, the Otis label on it. They happen to open the service elevators to the public, considering that the main passenger elevators are under modernization. What floor, sir? I don't think I'm gonna go all the way down, but I do want to get off and switch elevator cars because I really want to sound that chime. I'm not sure if I want to do the high-rise service elevators. I'm probably not, given how busy these are. Or maybe I could try, I'm not sure. Oh, here are the high-rise elevators, nice. How high up these buttons are.
Okay, 29. Hasta luego. That's me. Bye.
Have a great day, sir. Look how many buttons there are. Wow. There's a lot of buttons on this thing. Look at this thing. There's so many floors. Look at that. I want to switch back out on 24 because I really want to sound the chimes. These are sadly not going to be around much longer. I just had to come here and get a video of these elevators. Yep, this is 24. Look at that lantern right there. It's sideways. I didn't even know this elevator car serves. See, these two elevator cars only serve the low-rise floors, and these three serve the higher floors. All right, I'm gonna press the button and be quiet so I can hear the chime. All right, I think, you know what? Might go down to S real quick, but then but if the elevator car stops at the lobby, we're getting right off. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to go all the way down. I mean, if it stops on 1, then we're gonna get off this thing.
Going down?
Going up. All right. Oh wait. What?
This
Oh, are you coming in?
Wait.
Yeah, I'm going down. What floor would you
Where
want?
you going? You going to lobby? Oh,
Yes,
okay.
I am.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.